What are you saying, people? This is my market analysis of yesterday. Today we had CPI news, as you can see here. So we didn't trade, but I didn't trade yesterday. But we can still have a look at the market, see what happened. So got London session drawn out here. Let's start on GU. So on the 4 hour, where is this? On the 4 hour, we were bearish, and on okay, yeah, we'll just stick with GU for now. 4 hour we were bearish. 1 hour also bearish. We had this massive fair value gap here. Oh no, we were still bearish until this. Yeah, so could have gone down to the 1 minute. Well, let's have a look at what the light highs were. So here's London session high. Here's, oh no, that's today. What am I doing? There's London session low, and where was London session high be? It would have been here. Okay, we swept above them, and our bias was bearish, so we could have gone down to the 1 minute. Looks like it would have been a losing trade today. Yesterday, sorry, if we did take it. Luckily we didn't. So yeah, sweep above London session highs. Big displacement down. We probably, where's the breaker structure? There's a breaker structure there. We probably would have waited, because this is a bit choppy for me. Waited for this big displacement, and then entered off of a retrace into that fair value gap. Stops above there. First take profit could have been there, and yeah, looks like we would have been stopped out after a little while. But doesn't mean it's a bad trade. That actually looks like a pretty good trade. It just didn't play out for us. It wouldn't have played out for us if we look at the RR on the full take profit. That's a 1 to 5. But again, it got stopped out. So doesn't matter. You have losing days. It doesn't mean it was a bad trade. Would have been a bad trade to take. It's just, yeah, one of those things. Now let's see if it was any different on Euro. I doubt it was any different. Where was yesterday? So 4 hour we were bearish, but we were chopping, so could have taken either one. 1 hour we were bullish. So yeah, it's a bit different to thingy. Go down to 5 minute. That's today. Let's see what we got here. I would have taken it on a 5 minute because we were bullish on the tin. Such a lows again. Probably would have stopped out here if we had taken it. Probably would have taken that GU rather than this one. It isn't an SMT, so yeah. There wasn't any news yesterday either. Let's have a look. Yeah, this was yesterday. No, that was today. No, today was CPI. Yeah, there was no real news yesterday, so yeah, would have been a losing trade yesterday, but doesn't mean that prices just doesn't mean anything that's gonna happen. Yeah, price is still moving well. Like, I like these trends, and if we're looking at the very high time frame, let's see what our bias is for the next few days, or tomorrow, or whatever. We are still in an uptrend on the daily. Let's delete those. Make this a bit clear. Let's delete everything. So yeah, uptrend on the daily. I feel like we're gonna try to take these highs out. What's the weekly saying? Uptrend on the weekly. We filled in this fair value gap. I did say, I think a few videos ago, that we would keep going up. Probably the same thing for GU. Looking to target these highs. Oh, we've actually took out. Oh no, we haven't. So yeah, probably looking to target those highs daily. Daily, we've been chopping it up. We're not in as strong of a trend on GU, but still same bias. So yeah, we'll just keep that in mind for the next few days. But yeah, what news do we have tomorrow? Let's see if we trade them. Oh, another PPI day. It's probably no trades tomorrow either. Stay out the market this week maybe. What's the rest of the week? What's Friday saying? 3 p.m. We might be trading Friday. We'll just see. But from next week, let's see what next week is, because next week is when I double down on trading, and it doesn't look too good, fam. So Monday, that'll be a decent day to trade. 1:30. We got. Next week does not look that good. Wednesday is definitely a no trading day. Look at all that. Thursday, maybe. So yeah, we'll see next week what the market's saying on Monday. Probably not Tuesday. Just probably Monday and Friday next week we'll be looking at the markets. But yeah, that's all that I've got to say. I'll catch you in a bit.